Hello mga katambay! For today's video, pag-aaralan natin kung paano mag-add ng integers o yung tinatawag nating mga signed numbers. Kaya tara, makitambay ka sa amin upang tayo matuto na masaya at ng madali. Sa pag-a-add ng dalawang integers, meron tayong dalawang rules na dapat tandaan. Rule number 1, same sign integers. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong dalawang integers na magkapareho ang kanilang signs. It's either pareho silang positive or pareho silang negative. And rule number 2, different signs. Isang positive at isang negative or vice versa, isang negative at isang positive. Let's start with rule number 1, adding integers with the same signs. Example number 1, positive 4 plus positive 7. In adding integers with the same sign, ang ginagawa lang natin is ina-add lang natin yung absolute value ng dalawang integers natin. So 4 plus 7. So i-add lang natin 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. And then, kinokopya natin yung sign ng dalawang integers natin. Since pareho silang positive, ang magiging sagot natin is also positive. So, positive 4 plus positive 7 is equal to positive 11 or simply 11. So, take note na kapag yung integer natin walang sign, automatically positive siya. Ibig sabihin, positive 11 is just equal to 11. Pareho lang po sila. So, we can write positive 11 or 11. Number 2, negative 10 plus negative 5. We have two negative integers. So, same sign sila. I-add lang natin ang kanilang absolute value. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. And since pareho silang negative, kokopyahin lang natin ang sign nila. Therefore, ang magiging sagot natin is also negative. So, negative 10 plus negative 5 is equal to negative 15. Number 3, negative 2 plus negative 6. Negative 2 plus negative 6. I-add natin yung absolute value. So, 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. And since pareho silang negative, ang magiging sagot natin is also negative. So, negative 2 plus negative 6 is equal to negative 8. And number 4, 8 plus 4, or this is positive 8 plus positive 4. Kapag walang sign yung ating integer, automatic, positive siya. So, this is positive 8 plus positive 4. I-add natin yung absolute value nila, 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. And since pareho silang positive, ang magiging sagot natin is also positive 12. Let's proceed to rule number 2, adding integers with different signs. So, sa pag-a-add ng dalawang integers na magkaiba yung sign, ang tatandaan lang natin ay kahit addition yung operation natin ay hindi tayo mag-a-add. Bagkus tayo ay magsasubtract. Example number 1, negative 7 plus positive 4. So magkaiba sila ng sign, hindi natin sila i-add. Isasubtract natin ang kanilang absolute value. So we have 7 minus 4. And 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. And then, kokopyahin natin yung sign ng number na may mataas or may mas mataas na absolute value. Mas mataas ang absolute value ni negative 7 kesa kay positive 4. The absolute value of negative 7 is 7, while the absolute value of positive 4 is 4. So, mas mataas ang absolute value ni negative 7. Kokopyahin natin ang sign ng mas mataas na absolute value. And since mas mataas yung absolute value ni negative 7, so our answer will also be negative. So, negative 7 plus positive 4 is equal to negative 3. Number 2. Negative 10 plus positive 5. Different sign, magsusubtract tayo. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Kukunin natin yung absolute value nila. Absolute value of negative 10 is 10. The absolute value of positive 5 is 5. Mas mataas ang absolute value ni negative 10. Negative siya. Therefore, ang magiging sagot natin is also negative. So, negative 10 plus positive 5 is equal to negative 5. Number 3, positive 6 or 6 plus negative 2. Different sign sila, magsasubtract tayo. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Kukunin natin yung absolute value nila. Absolute value of 6 is 6. Absolute value of negative 2 is 2. Mas mataas ang absolute value ni 6. Positive siya. Therefore, ang magiging sagot natin ay positive din. So, positive 6 plus negative 2 is equal to positive 4 or 4. And lastly, we have positive 8 plus negative 4. Magsasubtract tayo. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Kokopyahin natin yung sign ng mas mataas ang absolute value. Mas mataas ang absolute value ni 8, positive siya. Therefore, ang magiging sagot natin ay positive din. So, positive 8 plus negative 4 is equal to positive 4 or 4. Tandaan, positive plus positive is always positive. And negative plus negative is always negative. While positive plus negative or negative plus positive, it depends. Magsusubtract tayo and then we will copy the sign of the highest absolute value. Yun lang mga katambay. Sana may natutunan tayo sa video tutorial natin ngayon. Kita-kita tayong muli sa susunod na video at huwag kakalimutang mag-like, share, and follow sa ating page para updated kayo sa mga susunod nating video. Paalam!